Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by gathering ingredients. 2 lb of chicken wings, 1/2 cup honey, 1/3 cup Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tsp salt, and 1/2 tsp black pepper. Pat the wings dry with paper towels. Moist wings will steam instead of crisp. Toss wings with 1 tablespoon oil, and if you want extra crunch, 1 tablespoon cornstarch to coat evenly. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F for baking, or heat oil to 350 degrees F if you prefer. To bake, place wings on a wire rack set over a sheet pan and bake at 425 degrees F for 40 to 45 minutes, turning once at 20 minutes to brown both sides evenly. If frying, heat oil to 350 degrees F and work in small batches, frying 3 to 5 minutes until golden and crisp, then drain on paper towels. Always confirm doneness. Insert an instant-read thermometer into the thickest part and reach 165 degrees F. Rest wings 3 minutes before saucing to retain juices and crispness. Make the honey mustard by whisking 1/2 cup honey with 1/3 cup Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar until smooth and glossy. Season with 1/2 tsp black pepper and adjust with 1 tsp salt if needed. For a thinner glaze, add 1 tablespoon warm water. For a spicier kick, stir in 1 tsp hot sauce. Toss hot wings in the sauce so the glaze clings, then garnish with chopped parsley and lemon wedges. Serve immediately with celery, carrot sticks, and additional sauce on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.